A Salesforce implementation doesn't fail because of technology. It fails due to poor discovery, weak change management, and low user adoption. In this video, we focus on one of the most strategic domains of the Salesforce Certified Sales Cloud Consultant exam, consulting and implementation strategies. This session is designed for Salesforce consultants and anyone serious about passing the exam with confidence. Let's shift from what to implement to how to implement it successfully. Question 1. During a discovery workshop, stakeholders present 25 feature requests with a fixed 3-month timeline. What should the consultant do first? A. Commit to all features. B. Prioritize requirements using business value and impact. C. Extend the timeline. D. Build custom solutions. Pause and think about the best approach for this scenario. Correct answer: B. Prioritize requirements using business value and impact. This ensures high-value quick wins and core functionality are delivered within the deadline. Question 2. Before starting implementation, leadership wants to define measurable success criteria. Which metric best measures Sales Cloud success? A. Custom fields. B. User login frequency. C. Increase in opportunity win rate and pipeline visibility. D. Number of dashboards. Take a moment to consider the most effective success metric. Correct answer: C. Increase in opportunity, win rate, and pipeline visibility. Success is measured by business outcomes, not system activity. Question 3. During implementation, the organization wants to minimize risk and avoid disrupting operations. Which strategy is most appropriate? A. Big bang deployment to all users. B. Phased rollout by region or team. C. Immediate global activation without testing. D. Manual data migration after go-live. Pause and decide which deployment strategy fits best here. Correct answer: B. Phased rollout by region or team. A phased rollout minimizes risk by introducing the solution gradually to smaller groups, by region or team. This approach allows testing in real conditions, gathering feedback, resolving issues early, and reducing disruption to overall sales operations. Question 4. 3 months after go-live, user adoption is low. Sales reps complain about extra steps. What should the consultant do first? A. Add validation rules. B. Disable reporting. C. Conduct user feedback sessions and workflow analysis. D. Rebuild the system. Pause here and analyze the root cause of low adoption. Correct answer: C. Conduct user feedback sessions and workflow analysis. Low adoption usually indicates usability or process alignment issues. The consultant should first gather user feedback and analyze current workflows to identify friction points and understand why reps feel the system adds extra steps. If you want structured scenario-based questions like these, PrepBolt provides exam-aligned scenarios that help you think like a lead. Question 5. After implementation, the company expands into a new product line requiring different stages. What is the best approach? A. Separate Salesforce org. B. Modify existing processes using scalable configuration. C. Ignore request. D. Replace Sales Cloud. Pause and evaluate the best way to scale this implementation. Correct answer: B. Modify existing processes using scalable configuration. Extending the current implementation adapts to new needs while preserving stability. Question 6. Before go-live, leadership wants to ensure smooth adoption across different regions. What should the consultant include? A. Generic training. B. Role-based training and a phased communication strategy. C. No communication. D. Email only. Pause and think about the key elements of change management. Correct answer: B. Role-based training and a phased communication strategy. This tailored approach ensures all groups are properly prepared for their unique workflows. Question 7. During UAT, sales reps report navigating multiple unrelated fields to create opportunities. What do you recommend? A. Add more required fields. B. Simplify layouts and leverage dynamic forms. C. Disable tracking. D. Remove automation. Take a moment to determine the best UI recommendation. Correct answer: B. Simplify page layouts and leverage dynamic forms. This allows fields to be displayed conditionally, reducing clutter and improving usability. Question 8. Stakeholders request significant scope changes midway through. What is the best response? A. Approve all. B. Reject all. C. Perform impact analysis and revisit project scope. D. Delay go live. Pause here and consider how to handle major scope changes. Correct answer: C. Perform impact analysis and revisit project scope. This allows stakeholders to make informed decisions about trade-offs or reprioritization. Passing this certification requires thinking like a strategic consultant. Train your mindset with PrepBolt. Like, comment, and subscribe for more domains. See you in the next session.